Ka JNC National Council Central Executive Committee hapo ka jingalam u President rang ba ka JNC ba sambor milang do ha ka neutrik u benai risau ajab san kalaya kendu markmat bad u MP ka Shillong constituency u Dr. Ki AJ Singkon balai ru da ka dorkas halor ki tylli kimat kawai ka dei shapang ki jing shapang upod usam hapdeng ka jela bat ka Assam kawai pat ka jingpen mi biang ya ka jingti dewïong barit bat ka jingpen pha ya ka yo ka kot.
Today we from the JNC National Council we have met with our member of the Parliament Lok Sabha, Dr. Ki AJ Singkon. The issue we have met him is regarding our mission which we launched last year, the Safe JNC mission. And in the Safe JNC mission we have 5 agenda, and 2 of them is the issue we have to deal with the central government. So today we have met with our MP and we have submitted a memorandum to him regarding the long pending issue of the JNC National Council regarding the mining of the coal mining, scientific coal mining. Because what we have seen in this past few years, the government has issued a notification to apply for this prospecting mining, like to apply for this mining license. It is very hard for the small scale mining people, because in this mining we should have 100 hectare of area so that we can apply for coal mining, which is very difficult for the small miner. Because if we look back, before the NGT banned the coal mining, in JNC Hills we used to have a small scale mining. So but now it is very difficult for the public, so we have raised the issue with our MP. So our MP has informed us that it is not in his hand, it is both the state government also should move on this issue. But last time also we have met with regarding this SOP of the coal mining. We have met with Chief Minister, we have met with the Secretary of Mining Geology. Verbally they have given an assurance like they have right to the Ministry of Coal India so that they can reduce the hectare. But till date we don't get it in writing, so we'll be follow up this issue with the state government also. And the next issue of the state Safe JNC mission is of this the dispute area between the Assam and the Meghalaya in the JNC Hills. And we have requested our MP to talk with the President of India so that all the Panar village who are now in Assam will be transferred back to JNC Hill, especially in Block 1 and Block 2. Because if we go back to the history of JNC, all these places belong to the JNC kingdom, especially the Khat Daloi. And one of the ilika of the Khat Daloi is that Labang Nong Puluk, which is now in the jurisdiction of this West Karbi Anglong. So we hope in future like our MP will take this matter seriously, and we hope like the government of India will based on the history of the JNC kingdom and will transfer this land back to the JNC Hills.